In this video, you'll learn how to see who joined your Google Meet call, whether you're running an online class, hosting a team meeting, or just want to double check attendance. Being able to quickly view your participant list is really helpful. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keep it simple, and also share a few small tips along the way so you feel confident using this feature every time you meet. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to open your meeting. You can do this in a couple of common ways. If you already have a meeting link, go ahead and click it to join. This might be from a calendar invite, an email, a chat message, or a link you've saved somewhere. Once you click that link, your browser will open Google Meet and take you to the meeting screen. If you're scheduling or starting the meeting yourself, you might open Google Calendar or Google Meet directly, select the meeting you want, and then join it from there. However you get there, the important thing is that you're actually inside the Google Meet call before moving on to the next part. After you've joined the meeting and you can see the main call screen, you're ready to open the people panel. This is where Google Meet groups all the information about who's in your call. Look toward the top or side of the screen for an icon that usually looks like the outline of two people or a single person, depending on your version. Sometimes it may just say people. Click this icon to open the panel. When you open the people panel, it will slide out or appear on one side of your screen. This panel is your main hub for managing and viewing who's in your meeting. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse to wake up any hidden controls, since Google Meet sometimes hides the toolbar when you're not actively using it. Now that the people panel is open, you can view the participant list. This list shows everyone who's currently in your meeting. You'll usually see their name and sometimes an avatar, profile picture, or initial. You'll be able to scroll if there are more participants than can fit on the screen at once. This is where you can quickly scan the list to confirm who has joined. For example, if you're a teacher or a meeting host, you might compare this list with your attendance sheet or agenda. If you're collaborating with a team, you can check that all the right people are present before you start an important discussion. As you watch the list, you'll notice that it updates in real time. When someone new joins the call, they'll appear in the participant list. When someone leaves, their name will disappear. This makes it easy to keep an eye on attendance throughout the meeting, not just at the beginning. If you ever close the people panel by accident, don't worry. You can simply click the same icon again to reopen it and see the current list of participants. You can repeat this as often as you like during the call, and that's all there is to it. Open your meeting, click the people panel, and then view the participant list to see exactly who has joined your Google Meet call.